September is quite a lovely month because we get lots of nice colors and some nice days. But once we get into October, the rains can kind of begin anytime, the middle latter part of October. And all the storms are kind of carried around the globe by the jet stream. It's this river of air, if you will, in the atmosphere. It's this fast-moving current of air. And in the summer months, the jet stream actually kind of lifts into the northern latitudes. It's actually kind of located over the Canadian provinces in North America. Once we get into the winter time, once we get into late October, November, December, that jet stream kind of sags to a little bit south, moves into the southern latitudes about 45 degrees north, and that happens to be right over the Pacific Northwest, Oregon and Washington. So we have the jet stream over our area most of the winter time, and of course that ushers in storm systems as they form up over the ocean and right in the Pacific Northwest. And when we get this fast-moving jet stream, these really strong-moving jet streams, over if we can get storm systems move through our area on a pretty frequent basis, about every 24 hours when we get in just the right situation, and that's where we can get the heavy snow in the Cascades. We can get the strong winds on the coastal area and such with the various storms moving over our latitudes. Predominantly, it's west to east flowing. We call that zonal flow, but it can take on a north-south orientation. And when it does that, it's usually because we have maybe a strong ridge of high pressure in the eastern Pacific, and then and a deep trough of low pressure, typically east of there. So the storm track will kind of move up and around the high and take on sometimes a north-south orientation, and that's a lot of times when the storm track and a resultant jet stream will go south into the California latitudes and take our storm system south of us, and they get the heavy rain and work on the northern periphery of it, and just get more of a showery type of air mass, and then that maybe lasts for a few days, and the storm track will lift back north, and it likes to be over our latitudes in the 45 degree north latitude most of the winter time.